Welcome back to the channel, guys. As you'll see here in a minute, I tried to start the Touareg last night. No joy. Alright, so got jump pack on the back. Come around, we'll go around these other junk cars. Jump pack on the front, plenty of leaves. This thing's been sitting for about 1.5 years now. We'll see if we can get her to fire up. Oh, it's so close. Come on. Nope. Well, that didn't go well. Big shocker. But good news is, that means we'll charge a couple batteries up and you'll get to see it do it in the daylight. So we'll catch it in the morning. It's been sitting for a little over 1 year. You can hardly tell. That good old tree has left its mark. Kinda in sad shape. But tried to start it last night. Dead, obviously. Hooked the jump pack up, dead. Couldn't get to start, so we charged batteries up today and we'll see how it goes here. Hook this guy back up. Right there. A little sparky. Let's get in here. You see we got a little bit of a mess going on. Grab the key. Wait for the glow plugs. Oh, so close. Almost. Come on, you can do it. Oh, there we go. It's alive. Not even much in the world of smoke. All sorts of lights on. Shocker. You guys have been asking for it. And she's alive. I kind of miss that sound. She sounds pretty decent for sitting for 1 year. But yeah, when we parked it, I tried to start it up a couple months after. Got it running. Let's see if I can get. Got it running. Get lighter. Alright, got it running. But it had zero communication with pretty much everything. So it wouldn't air up. And as you can see now, we've got plenty of room. Ah, right there. So we obviously fixed that problem. That problem was a bunch of wires were corroded and broke in the footwell there, kind of losing communication with the module. So we got that going. We'll have to let her run for a little bit and juice everything back up. But well, I spoke too soon. It aired the rear up. But it doesn't appear to have aired the front up, so we'll see. Check back. Alright, as you saw there, we got her moved out from the back. It aired up enough to move, but we still have some faults. Ran through the old list here, and the stuff in red is bad. That's pretty much everything. So we'll do the old quick erase, erase all our problems there, and see where we stand. And after that, we got so much less red going on. Pretty much fixed itself. Big thing though is that little air suspension works now. Lifted itself back up. Getting a little dark out, so I apologize for that. But yeah, we are sitting good now. We can drive it again. As you saw there in that little video pulling it out, she does a little rubby if she's not up. But yeah, so there. The Touareg is alive.
Go figure as soon as you put the fucker back together.
The old Touareg likes to eat batteries. Here's part of the battery graveyard from today. Boom. Boom. Didn't start. Didn't start. Didn't start. Always needs that to start. Fun. Alright, so it got a little colder. It still starts a little bit. Had to do a couple ski cycles. It also snowed. That's sweet. We're gonna go blast it down the road once here, knock a little dust off the rotors, see if we need to get some brakes for the thing. But as I promised last time, the next video is going to be installing this sweet pure energy alternator from Rock Auto. This guy, you know, only the best. Let me get it out here. Boom, under $200. The OEM one's like $900. So we're gonna give this guy a shot, see if that is any better. It doesn't really charge that great, so hopefully this charges better. That video coming up in the next week or so, so give me a week. Promise I'll get you one. I know I said that like a year ago, but we're actually gonna do it. I want to drive this thing again. So yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. You want to see some more Touareg videos? Subscribe, like the video down below, and comment. And what do you guys think of the V10 Touareg? It's awesome, ain't it? Get some more action on it. All right, catch you guys later. Thanks. What would be a drive in this thing without a malfunction? We just got the engine workshop fault. Little blinking glow plug light. Say there's some stuff on the wipers. Yeah, using them was probably a worse idea. Probably should have cleaned that off. More fancy warning lights. Oh, we got a hammer on the brakes there. Ooh, that's a little rough. A little rough. She doesn't want to stop. Oh, we made it. Fuck it. It's all good.